Hello friends, welcome to Mechanical Engineering online classes. Today's lecture will be delivered by Miss Shravanti Sriramoju.
Under the same compound lever magnification, we have another type of tensometer or the strain gauge called Hagenberger tensometer. In this instrument we have a frame, magnifying lever, link, a pointer, a scale, and this instrument is attached to the test specimen whose strain has to be measured. The instrument is held against the test piece by spring pressure or a suitable clamp. Here we have spring. With the help of spring, this instrument is in contact with the test specimen. As we can see, there are two contact points. So when the test specimen is under load, the test specimen gets elongated, and this particular, the first contact point is assumed to be fixed. For example, the second contact point moves towards right. So when this magnifying lever, one end of the magnifying lever or the bottom end of the magnifying lever is moving towards right, the other end of the magnifying lever will move towards left. So when this is moving towards left, the link, the right side part of the link, this will move downwards, and the other end of the link will move upwards. So when this is moving upwards, this is connected to the pointer of the scale. So when this is moving upwards, the pointer location changes. So when this is moving upwards, the pointer location changes and it moves towards left, thus showing the reading on the scale. And we can see from the figure, the pointer can be rotated about the pivot point. Pointer is pivoted here at this at this location. So this is the pointer which moves towards left as the strain increases or strain on the test piece occurs. The pointer moves towards left and thus showing a reading or the measurement on the scale. Now we shall discuss few important points regarding the Hagenberger tensometer. So it is basically a double lever system because it uses two levers, and in order to operate this, experienced or skilled labor are necessary, and magnification of up to 2000 is possible. That means if the strain is 1 units, then you will get the reading 2000. So it is multiplied by 2000. That is the multiplication factor. And gauge lengths of, that is L, 10 mm or 20 mm are possible, and the construction is robust in nature. That means the construction is strong and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If this video was of help to you, please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.